Rochester has become one of the leaders in concussion research, and through work here, we've actually learned how much we don't know about this injury.
A local company, Black Box Biometrics, has developed a product aimed at providing more information to doctors. Black Box's founder, David Borkholder, just got back from the Consumer Electronics Show in Vegas, and he's here to show us all about it. You took something called the Lynx IAS there. How did it do?
Oh, it was fabulous. We won 3 CES Innovation Awards for the one product.
Wow, that's incredible. So basically, if you were just to see this lying out on a table, you probably wouldn't assume the potential here, the ability of this device.
Right, so this is the device. It's the Lynx IAS. It measures sports-related impacts on the head. So the technology, it's really small, weighs about the same as a nickel, size of a stick of gum, and it slips into custom skull caps and headbands. So this sends data directly to an app in real time.
Wow, that.
Yes.
May I hold it?
Yeah, it looks like your average thumb drive.
And he's right,
even smaller.
Really does, and it looks like a piece of, it's the size of a stick of gum, really.
Yeah.
And this is what transmits that data, and then how is it used, that data then used?
So this allows you to monitor how hard and how many times an athlete is hit as they're playing sports. So that allows you to make better decisions for that athlete. You can tune athletic technique. All the data goes up to a cloud, so we have all the detailed data there, the historical data that you can see as well for that athlete.
So how does the actual cap send the information to this? How does that work?
So the that slips into the cap, and that device transmits directly using Bluetooth technology directly to the app on the sidelines.
Mm-hmm. Wow, but I guess how does it measure impact and things like that?
So this is held firmly against the head. We have sensors that are in there, both accelerometers and gyroscope, that measure 6 axes of those forces that could be potentially concussive.
So that is also, so the technology, yes, is that device right there, but that cap is also essential to
it is, and we have a lot of
operation of that. You can't really use that unless you have the cap, right?
Correct. Yeah, you need the cap or a headband, and we have a lot of intellectual property into the design of that as well, so that it holds it firmly against the head and we get accurate readings.
So much work has been done. I mean, you must have been, have you partnered with other local researchers, other local doctors who are doing research on concussion and, as it pertains to sports injuries?
So we have, Dr. Jeff Bazarian at the University of Rochester is on our advisory board. We've been working closely with him, and then several different sports teams ranging from boxing to soccer to football we've been working with as we've developed the technology.
What is your hope here? What do you think this will provide doctors doing research in the field?
So this provides an objective measure of the impacts that occur. So this is going to give you more information so you can identify those that might be at risk of concussions. You can use either established sideline concussion protocols or the integrated sideline test to help evaluate those athletes. For the doctor, it gives all the detailed information on that hit. It gives you impact location, and it's going to give them more context for that potential injury. It's also capturing all of the subconcussive hits that occur, and there's emerging evidence that those are going to be very important as well, so we can look at the cumulative exposure for any individual.
So this device now, I mean, how soon till this is widely marketed and used?
We'll be launching in March of this year.
Wow.
That's
It'll
great.
be available for sale.
And do you think it'll be picked up by high schools, colleges, all that?
Absolutely. So youth, high school, college, pros. Same device works for full teams to an individual that wants to monitor their kids.
Biometric screening is the future. It really is, and you certainly are riding that wave. And we've seen so many other devices that measure movement, and that's really kind of the wave of the future. Thank you so much. It's great to meet you.
Thank you for having me on.
And congratulations again. Wow.
Hey, coming up, Hannah Welker and her new friends have a need for speed this morning. We'll catch up with them next at the Little Speed Shop.